Presenting the HBIT Wireless Gaming Earbuds. It comes with AI noise cancellation audio algorithm and precisely calibrated voice isolation. It has HBIT for dust, water and sweat resistance. It comes with flagship-level battery life for the all-new HBIT Buds and up to 5 hours of non-stop music on a single charge. It also features ultimate gaming experience with best-in-class ultra-low latency, and it's equipped with the latest Bluetooth v5.3 for faster connectivity. Music to your ears with big 10mm dynamic drivers for deeper bass and crisp clear sound, and charging case. The delivery box contains earbuds HBIT T01, additional earbuds and charging cable. User manual and warranty.